Good morning everybody. So welcome back to another vlog. If you are new here, my name is Siobhan and I post videos all the time on cleaning, family vlogs, DIY, which I'm going to get back to eventually. And I have just bought a house 3 months ago with my partner. It's our first bought house, and it's basically, at the moment, you're just following my journey on decorating it, doing all sorts of things to make it a home. So if you do like that sort of content, then please stick around and subscribe. We would love to have you join our little YouTube family. So yeah, today's video, I just thought I need to get up and I need to declutter. Basically, I need to do something with this house, especially my bedroom. So my bedroom is currently the storing room. It's currently the room that everything gets chucked into. We've got 2 TVs in here, a big mirror and everything, just to get them out the front room, and now they're stuck in my bedroom. So I'm not going to be able to do much with those today, because at the moment, because basically before the lockdown, we was planning on getting the loft boarded out so that we could store things up there, and also we were trying to work out what we brought from the old house to this house that we were actually going to use, for example, mirrors and stuff. And it looks like there's a couple of mirrors that we might put up. We might actually not have them in this house, so we might just get rid of them, give them to a charity shop or something. So yeah, today's video is basically me just spending the day with us and watching me declutter, basically, because I can't, these sort of videos motivate me when I actually film them. I also don't have a wardrobe at the moment because we never got time to order one and get it delivered, so I'm going to have to wait now until we're out of lockdown to order a wardrobe. I took too much time thinking about it because I have a little space where it can go, and there's a window there as well, and we didn't know whether we wanted, well, we didn't know what we wanted basically to make it really a useful space for a wardrobe. So we have a row at the moment and a broken set of drawers from the old house, and that's what's storing our clothes. But I want to put away all my seasonal stuff. So all of my winter stuff I want to store away in my bed, because it's an ottoman bed. We don't have the vac pack sets, so I really wanted to get a vacuum pack to do this with so that we could save more space, but we haven't managed to get any of those either. So for now, I'm just going to directly put them in there just to get them away from sight. And I'm going to sort through and leave all my summer stuff out, and then I will leave the odd jumper and things like that out, because obviously it gets cold still in England, even when it's hot. So when the sun goes away or in the night time, so I will be keeping some of them out to hand. But yeah, I just basically generally want to tidy up my room because I've actually had enough of it. It's become the storeroom and it's driving me insane. I like my room to be like a calm room, somewhere where when the kids go to bed we can chill out. So yeah, it's a work in progress. I do still need to decorate it. I need to make it our own sort of thing and actually put a stamp on it. But now I just need to make sure it's tidy. So yeah, I'm going to go and do that now. Let's do this. Okay, so this is what I'm talking about. This is the state of my room right now. So this is the little corner bit where eventually, I mean, look, I've got hair there, tools, TV, scarf, as you do. But yeah, I want to eventually have a wardrobe here. But because we have that window there, it's become a bit difficult because I wanted to have like a corner one here, like one of them IKEA style ones. But the issue is measurements. So we took a while to decide on it, and now we're in lockdown. Obviously we cannot order a wardrobe, so we have to wait for that now. So I just thought if I could tidy it up a bit. I've even got a suitcase there. I've got a suitcase here as well. But yeah, if I could just at least declutter this so that the winter stuff can go away and keep the summer stuff out so that it looks less cluttered over here. I've also got clothes on the floor, and bearing in mind these clothes are actually they were just in drawers and things. I actually took them off and folded them, believe it or not. And then I realised I hadn't made my bed, so then I decided to put it on the floor, and then now I'm going to put it all back, and then I'm going to sort through them. So yeah, it's basically an absolute hot mess in this corner, and I just really want to sort it out a bit, because literally there is our bed, and when we wake up in the morning, that is what we see. It is really quite annoying. So yeah, I'd like to sort that out today. That's what we're going to do.
You are a pill, I swallow it. Take me away to Neverland, where colors fade my disbelief. me forget my memories. Rent a car you can't afford, put on a song that we both know. Let your hair out in the wind, put the pedal to the floor, flame your light, take a smoke. Put your broken rip-off wafers on. Doesn't matter if the sun goes down, we'll still be up, still be up. Don't care about the place we found, we'll still be up, still be up. We're in this together, we both fall down. Doesn't matter if the sun goes up, cause we will still be high when the lights out.
Gave the floor a little bit of the hoover as well, so it's looking a little bit better in here. And this is the area where I was talking about before. I did try and colour coordinate this, and then I just give up because everything's on different hangers. I need to buy hangers just for our wardrobe, but I kind of want to do that when I get another wardrobe. I've got a suitcase here which I think I'm going to put in the shed for now. That box there needs to put in the shed, and I put that blanket maybe on the bed. This is the situation up here, so that printer needs to go because I've got a new one. But yeah, it does look, even though it still looks a mess, it looks so much more neater than it was, so I'm happy with that. So if I step back, you'll see it's looking so much clearer, which makes me happy. Even though I haven't done the most amount of decluttering, you know, I take it a day at a time. I can't exactly get rid of anything at the moment because we can't go out, so I'm just trying to make the best of the situation. I need to also sort out the under the ottoman in the bed. I need to sort out that because that looks a mess, like it's a mess. It needs to be organised properly so it stores, so I know where everything is when I go under there. But for now, I've just put it in there, and that's cleared my outside space a little bit more, so I'm happy with that. Now, that's taken me the best part of the day, so I think I'm now going to go sit out in the garden for 5 minutes and then go and make the kids. Good morning everyone. So it's now the next day, and I basically just run out of motivation yesterday. I went and cooked the kids dinner, and then we just pretty much chilled out, and I just sort of tidied up for the like packed away the day basically. So I kind of felt a bit tired and just wanted to chill out. I get like that sometimes because of this situation. I sort of feel loads of motivation. I get up and I do things, and then I just sort of hit a brick wall. I don't know if any of you are feeling like that, but that's how I'm feeling at the moment. So I've come today with a fresh face. I look really pale, so I need to get in that garden and get some sort of a tan going on. If not, I'm going to have to put fake tan on because that's not acceptable. Look how pale I am. I mean, my hair's ridiculous as it is. It's overdue by 5 months, my hair. And although when it's down, it actually looks kind of okay because it looks like I've done balayage. It's not okay today because look, and then I've even got to put sunglasses on, you know. Found my sunglasses in the drawer and I was like, well, you know, I'm going to go and sit in the garden with sunglasses on, why not? So today, I've got a proper summer outfit on. Ooh la la. So yeah, I have actually got a summer outfit on today, which has cheered me up. It's a bright colour. So I thought bright colours is going to cheer me up. It's going to make me feel like summer. So I've done that, and I'm not really happy, to be honest with you, with the way I actually decluttered my bedroom yesterday. I am, and I'm not. Like, normally when I declutter, I go full in, like I'm literally full steam ahead, and I normally actually get rid of things. But because we can't actually get rid of things at the moment, it's like everything's just been moved from one area and hidden in another. But that's fine, because what I'll do is, I think I might order some of them pack, I can't remember what they call, vacuum packs, or something like that. I need some sort of storage. I do need to organise underneath the ottoman, like I said yesterday, so I will do that. But you know, little steps at a time and little jobs at a time. And to be honest with you, if it just clears the room enough for me to feel like clearing my head, then that's fine with me. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to get up to today. I know I'm going to be sitting in the garden. I might even tackle my shed. I'm not sure yet, because I need to really do that. I might do that in another video. But there's stuff that when we moved in here, we kind of put in the shed. And yeah, it's just a mess in there now. And it's hard to fit in the actual garden stuff. So I think I might try and sort that out, but I'm not sure, because I've got a lot of paperwork and stuff in there as well, which needs to be shredded. So I brought it from my old house, and I panicked and I just packed it all, and everyone was like, why the hell have you packed all of this old paperwork? And I was like, I don't really know, to be honest with you. I don't know what I'm supposed, I didn't have time to sort of go through it and know what's good, like what I need and what I don't. So I just thought, just take it with you and then I can sort it out on the other end, which I kind of regret now because I've got to sort it out now. But yeah, that's mostly in the shed in boxes. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just going to do little jobs around today, put some washing out in the garden so it can dry. I put a load of washing on already. I'm going to stay with no makeup on today because I really need to give my skin a break. We've had enough breaks with no makeup on. But I just think that if I can get some sun on my face, that'd be really nice. So yeah, I'm going to go and sit in the garden for a minute and put some washing out.
We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts, faces filled with sadness, when words are said, we'll regret. I can see the fire that we made just to save us when we try to make up for never letting go.
Like a little picnic lunch for them. This is all the strawberries we had left, and we have oranges, but I think I'll just leave the strawberries, see how they get on with them first. Harrison loves peanut butter on crackers. That's his dad's thing. He got him into that. And then I've just put some Dunkers and some cheese and cucumber and ham and cucumber sandwiches. So I think they can go and sit in the garden and eat this. A nice little picnic. Look at Tinkerbell trying to get in. What you got, Harrison?
Biscuits and these.
Yeah.
Yeah. And maybe
Them sandwiches look nice, don't they?
because I'm so glad that because my bus is shiny.
Is that a nice little picnic?
Yeah.
Yeah? In the shade. It's much better in the shade, isn't it? It's too hot in the sun.
I'm going to eat them later.
Go on then. Tinkerbell. Hello. Are you sunbathing? Are you sunbathing? Aww. Aww. Oh, look, it's Jerry. Hello, Jerry. What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? Oh. So I've just sat in the garden for a little bit and I literally look red. It's so hot out there, it's so nice. So I sat in there for a little bit while the kids were having their picnic, and now I'm gonna quickly, they're still eating their picnic now, so I'm gonna go and get the load of washing out and hang it outside whilst it's hot so that it can dry out really quick. And then I think I've got a couple of things I want to do in Harrison's room, like literally like just things that can organise things a little bit better, which is not actually the most amazing things, but they just think one thing that I've seen on Pinterest, and I thought I had the idea of doing it because I already had one of the item to do it with, so I thought why not put it to good use and actually sort something out in his room. So yeah, I'm just basically going around doing little jobs that I can at a time, so but I'm going to go and put the load of washing out first.
Promise not to say that we break up, just to start all over, even though we know this is the hard way, better we can't be.
Right, so I've put the washing out now, as you just seen. Now I'm going to go into Harrison's room because, whoa, that's bright. I'm going to go into Harrison's room because I'm going to do a little job that might make it a little bit of a toy storage hack that I've seen on Pinterest, and see if it works and if it looks good and if it does the trick, but we'll see. So yeah, I'll show you now what I'm going to do. So I've gathered together all of his little teddies because he has so many teddies, it's ridiculous. He has loads more than this as well, but I thought I'll gather a few now and see if this actually works. And then what it is, I mean, you've probably seen this hack before, but I just thought, I wanted to do it before, but I never got round to. But yeah, this is from IKEA. It's just one of them things you put in the wardrobe and to store things. I've seen people store cleaning stuff in cleaning cupboards and things like that. but I just thought I already had this and I actually intended to use it for cleaning stuff. But then I brought it with me and I never used it, and I brought it with me to this house, and then I thought about it the other day and I just thought, do you know what, I could actually use that for his teddies, because they were winding me up, his teddies, of how many he's got. So I thought, why not display them instead of trying to always find storage for them, if you like. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to put those in here and see if that works. And there we have it. So some of them he's just taken downstairs because he wanted them out. But what you could do as well is put like the really small teddies and stack them up, so you can put like loads in and then just put one showing at the top. So yeah, it's quite good. So what I'm going to do now is, my plan was to hang it on that at the back of the door. And there we have it. And one of his teddies has gone missing. There you go. And then he can see all his teddies and get them out whenever he wants to play with them. And I need to cut this off. We'll just hide that for now. So yeah, quite like that. As soon as I already had it, I made use of it. So why not? Just need a few more teddies. I've actually got teddies in there actually. But look, there we go. And these are where I've just put a little teddy in. But you could do this with anything. You could do this with any sort of toys. So you can do this with action figures or anything like that. If your child collects a certain thing, this makes sense to do something like this. So yeah, I'm happy with that. Wow. Can we brush your hair now?
Yeah.
Right, let me brush your hair. Come here, let me brush your hair. There you go, look cool, dude. Oh, we so need to cut your hair, don't we? Should we go and find Bezza now and do popcorn?
Yeah. Make it bigger.
What have you got?
I'm going to put that one in here.
In here?
Yeah.
Are you going to tell us a story?
Yeah.
What's it? Go on then.
Stories of popcorn.
Story about popcorn?
Yeah.
Go on then.
Pop.
Pop, pop.
Pop, pop. It's a popping. A bag is a popping.
Is bag popping?
Yeah.
Good boy.
A bag is going to be bigger, not smaller.
No, it's going to be bigger, isn't it? Can you hear that?
It's popping.
Look at that. It's getting bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
And that's the popcorn done.
Rainbow isn't just yet because.
Right, take a bowl then.
I'm coming.
Harrison's turn. Is that Harrison's?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Yeah.
You want to sit here?
No.
No?
Because hey, you go.
Oh, Harrison, you're going to drop it on.
Here,
Do they taste nice? Are they nice and warm?
Hey, what is that animal?
Mmm.
The dragon.
So that's it. I've got the kids bathed and ready for bed. They've got their popcorn now, so we're going to go and settle down and watch a film for the night. I hope that you all have a chilled out night, whatever you're doing, obviously depending on what time you're actually watching this, but chilled out day or night, either way. I do hope that you enjoyed this vlog. It was a bit all over the place, but I'm sure they'll get better as I go on, but I'm just trying to fill my days up like the rest of you, I can imagine. But yeah, so I do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.